Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Moral Science class. Do you know who was Birbal? You would be thinking that he was an advisor in the court of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. My dear students, you are correct. Children, I am narrating you a story on Birbal today. Please listen to it. One day, Emperor Akbar and Birbal were taking a walk along the lake during winter season. Birbal told Emperor Akbar that a man would do anything for money. Emperor Akbar replied that a man would not spend an entire night in the cold water of the lake for money. Birbal told Akbar that he could find such a person. Akbar answered Birbal that if he found such a person, he would reward the person with 1,000 gold coins. Finally, Birbal found a man who accepted the challenge as he was needy. The poor man spent the entire night in the cold water and he was taken before the emperor in the next morning. Akbar asked him how he managed to spend the night in the lake. The poor man replied that there was a street lamp nearby and he kept his attention fixed on the lamp and away from the cold. Then King Akbar refused to give him reward as the poor man had survived the night in the lake by the warmth of the street lamp. The poor man went to Birbal for help. The next day, Birbal did not go to court. Akbar sent a messenger to Birbal's home to find out the reason. The messenger came back and told the king that Birbal would come once his khichdi or rice was cooked. The king waited for hours, but Birbal did not come. Finally, the king decided to go to Birbal's house. He found that Birbal was sitting on the floor near some burning twigs or branches, and a bowl filled with rice was hanging 5 feet above the fire. The king asked Birbal how the rice could be cooked as it was so far away from the fire. Birbal answered in the same way. The poor man received heat from a street lamp that was far away. The king understood his mistake and gave the poor man his reward. My dear students, this story teaches us to stay committed to our words. We should understand the problems and feelings of others. So, this is chapter number 2 in moral science, Akbar and Birbal. Thank you.